So here we have another set of E87 Angel Eye headlights. This is a chrome version. We do both chrome and black, so if this is not the colour you wish to purchase, we do a black version. So we'll get these opened up and have a quick look. We'll also run through all the features, what these headlights consist of. So these headlights are made by Depot. Depot is probably the most superior quality headlights that are available in the market. So we'll run through some features what these headlights include. So this is a chrome set. As you can see, it's got a projector dip beam and twin halo angel eye rings. This set does come with some brief instructions, and also it does come with some spare capless bulbs which are used for the angel eye rings. If you wish, you can always look at replacing these yourself with some LED ones. So we'll turn the headlight round and we'll run through all the features what this headlight includes. So first of all, these headlights have a pretty cool feature inside. So these headlights suit both left and right hand drive. So what they've got inside is a lever which flicks and rotates the driving beam pattern from left hand drive to right hand drive. Always ensure that it is flicked to the correct beam pattern before fitting the headlights. It just gives you a bit more access rather than trying to get your fingers in while the headlights in position in the vehicle. So what we need is right hand drive. So as you look inside the headlight, we'll try and get a close-up of this. Next to the dip beam bulb holder, there is a lever, and this can be flicked over to one side or over to the other side. So these headlights come completely pre-wired. All you need to do is add bulbs. There is also a cap which has a rubber water seal which is fitted on here. You will need to remove this tie wrap and this piece of metal. This is just for transport, just to stop everything rattling around while it's in its box. So these headlights also have a manual adjuster fitted. Now these headlights are designed to accept the original headlight motors from your old headlights. So these simply twist out, and then the motor from your original headlights will twist, and the ball on the motor will lock into the socket on the headlight itself, which will allow it to move up and down. There is a small plug, which is this, that will need to be plugged into your motor to allow it to work.